Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix IO Netty channel abstract error failed to connect to server on Minecraft. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to basically check your internet connection. So you need to go to the website called speedtest.io, speedtest.net, and test your internet connection. And if you have good internet speed and consistent one, you're good to go. And if you don't, maybe limit some devices and restart your router to basically increase your internet speed. And always, if you have an option, just use Ethernet cable, because also it will connection will be more stable and the better, right? And still, if you're having this problem, another thing that you can do here, you need to open up Windows Defender Firewall, then allow an app and feature, change settings, then press one of the tasks here and press M. Then you should find here Minecraft, right? Here Minecraft, make sure the box is ticked here and all these two boxes is ticked too here, right? And then apply the changes, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And also, if you're using some sort of third-party antivirus softwares like Avast, McAfee, or other, try to disable them and then look if the problem persists or not. And still, if you're having the problems here, another thing that you can do here is to update your Java drivers, or basically update Java to the latest version. On search, you just need to write configure Java, and then here you will see update here. So press update now, and then you need to make sure that you're running a latest version of Java. And still, if you're having the same issue here, then you need to go to Minecraft server status here, and here you need to just put your server that you're not getting in address here, and then you need to look if the players playing on the server, as you can see here, is around 3,000 players here, so probably servers are not down. So what you need to do here, if you want to go around that, simply you need to just go to cmd or command prompt, right click on it, run as administrator, then you need to look and put the command that is called ip config/+dns, and another one is nesh winsock reset. And after that, you start your computer, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then open up settings, and then you need to look for network and internet, advanced network settings. Then you need to look for more network adapter options here. Go to your internet properties, make sure internet protocol version 6 is disabled, and double click on internet protocol version 4. Then you need to use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server you need to write 8.8.8.8, and then on alternate DNS server you need to write 8.8.4.4. Apply the changes, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And still, if the problem persists, then I highly suggest you to use VPN, and then try to connect to the server. I use Privado VPN, super cool VPN. It costs only a few dollars a month, I believe. And also what I like about it is that I can sort out my servers from low to high latency. So this means it will be basically for me no lag while playing the game on VPN. So if you want to, you can try this out as well. I will leave the link in the description below so you can check it out. But of course, you can use whatever VPN you want, right? So that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.